Good and beneficial affiliate marketing ideas that are simple to use. In an odd sense of the word, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest business partnerships to undertake and can be most beneficial to those without an established background with a profitable company. Through this market and the advice offered in this video, you can come away with some nice profits and never need to buy or touch a single product. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, provide your visitors with an explanation of the products that you have chosen to advertise. If you tell your visitors the benefits of the items you are promoting, as well as show your support for the items, you can convince your visitors to purchase your affiliate company's products. Many people spend hours on the internet. They usually come across many advertisements per day, and will pay attention to the ones that are relevant to their lives. Putting an advertisement for your company on the internet is a sure way to make sure that hundreds of people will see it each and every day. When trying to get ahead in affiliate marketing, it's a good idea to use some type of time management software to assist you. By using software to help you, you can set start dates, time yourself, and keep better track of what you're doing. Software makes it easy to streamline the process, and keeping track of time helps you stay on task. Do not waste your time on products that are only offering commissions of 5 to 10%. You can hold out for larger commissions of 20 to 50%. And with the way this type of marketing works, it's usually the better products offering the larger commissions, and better products sell a lot easier than cheaper products. If profit is your goal, yet you don't have the investment potential to really place yourself in the pocket of a powerful company, then affiliate marketing will be the solution for you. It may not be an easy road, but use this advice and it will be a little smoother to travel. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.